Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thirsty Thursday. Yes. And I still have whiskey from Whiskey Wednesday because I didn't have any whiskey last night. I was falling asleep in my recliner at like 7:30 last night. I went to bed early. All right. Last night, before I started falling asleep, we had leftover prime rib, noodle, and veggie soup. It was really good. We still have more. Might freeze it. Can you freeze soup? Don't know. Tell me in the comments. So tonight I'm going to prepare creamy Tuscan chicken. I'm not going to say the Lebanese name, but it's Lebanese spicy potatoes and garlic Parmesan green beans with bacon. Yes. Let me show you. And here we go. We're going to come down to this end. We're on the big table today because with the three dishes, the triad, I had to. All right, we've got chicken thighs, baby spinach, chicken stock, heavy cream, sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil, a shallot, some flour, and an Italian herb blend. And on this end, we've got 3 russets. I'm going to dice this half onion. I'm going to juice this poor naked lemon and red pepper flakes. Here we have cilantro and parsley that go in this potato dish. And for the beans, we have green beans and bacon. And when I opened and poured out these poor beans on the table, about half of them were moldy or bad. So I'll be going and seeing my buddy Vinny at Bel Air, who's the produce manager, and seeing what we can do about getting me some fresh beans. Okay, and let's get back at it. And left in the middle, olive oil, butter, garlic, kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, and Parmesan cheese grated. These are in the middle because at least these are all included in at least 2, if not all 3 dishes that I'll be preparing. So, what's on your menu for tonight? Let me know. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.